called the sewing machine challenge. It's where you have to take your foot like this and shake it. Your foot can't touch the floor. Your heel, you can't touch the floor. It has to be like that. Can you see it? Okay. Now, it's for 2 minutes. Now, we have to do this in the kitchen because it's the only timer we have. I'm going to set the timer for 2 minutes. It's on 2. Ready? Go. I want her shaking both legs. This is kind of boring. I've already recorded this once, but I thought it was a minute, so I have to redo this. God, it hasn't been a minute yet. This leg's gonna be smaller than this leg.
That's 1 minute.
I miss playing Warner Brothers. Look at her, see Jeff and Colton. Oh, Colton's sleeping.
Oh.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. There you go. That's the sewing machine challenge. I will put who had me to do it in my video. Anyways, good night, you guys, and see you next time. Bye.